Hey everybody, welcome back to Hotly Trending. If you're new here, we share the latest crypto guides to help you earn your first dollars in crypto. Today, I'll be sharing with you a platform I'm a little bit looking at. That is MeshChain. So, it claims to be DePin, and they're saying they're gonna launch the biggest airdrop ever. And as you know, I always share with you opportunities for you to earn big and make your first dollars with crypto. So you click on the link in the description, that takes you to their dashboard, and then you add the mesh node to Chrome extension. So you go to your extension, you go to the Chrome extension store, you install mesh node extension. So you click on that, then you sign up. So input your full name, then email, password, repeat the password, and referral code for the platform. So MeshChain claiming that they have received $500 million investment. I'm a little bit skeptical about that, but anyways, we're gonna do our best to position ourselves for this. If it's gonna cook, it should cook, and if it doesn't cook, then no regrets. At least we tried to position ourselves for it. So verify your email. So you send the verification code to your email address. So input the 6-digit code and then complete the captcha. You click on verify now. So MeshChain claims to be another DePin project. There are also lots of available tasks, so like your email verification, joining the Telegram mini app, connecting your X account. So they're just lots. So you can see it says open the MeshChain Telegram mini app, go to the profile, click the connect button. This will get you 0.0015 BNB. It's what, about $3 or $4 to say. They claim that is a gas fee. Anyways, and what they're claiming, the MCC, that is MeshChain coin, will be launching soon. I think there used to be there's a countdown for the listing of MCC token, though I believe at this moment the countdown is still ongoing, or the countdown, by the time this video is off, the countdown might have elapsed, but then I'll update you if they still haven't launched. So if there's still opportunity for you to position yourself for this potential airdrop, I'll post this video. If not, this video will be trashed. Okay, so we have lots of tasks that we can do. So let's go. You can see claim your gas fee, go to task. So from there, click on the node. So it's every 2 hours. You claim your points every 2 hours from the node. So you start counting down 1 hour 59 minutes. So by the time it's 2 hours, it will stop, and you'll have to claim your points. Then it continues. Okay, so you can see it's telling you to join the Telegram mini app. So if we go to overview, it's an exclusive MCC pre-sale now live. Please don't participate in the pre-sale. I won't advise you to pay any money to do this. Okay, please don't. So there are guides on how to install the software node, operating, download the software, everything is just here, but I'm not going to go through this anyways. I'm very happy using the extension, the node extension in my browser. As it is, I'm a little bit skeptical about this project. Not that I think it's suspicious, but I just have this feeling, this gut feeling that this project, well, we'll see what it is in the future. But as it is now, you can only run one node on your account. You can't add an additional node. So you can see referrals, you can invite your friends, but I doubt that. You can click on wallet, you can see. So now the claim, you can see the assets, there is point, then there is MCC, you have BTC, USDT, USDC, BNB. So they gave us 0.005 BNB for gas fee. That's what, about $3.49. That's part of why I said I'm skeptical about this. It's gonna be dashing out, $3.50 for everybody that uses your platform, or for everybody that signs up. I mean, 5 million people sign up on your platform, that's 35 million just for what? For signing up. But anyways, as you know, here on Audley Trending, I would always share with you resources for you to position yourself for the best airdrops. So, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video. I would like to hear your thoughts about this MeshChain. Will it cook? Is it trash? And hopefully, let's hope for the best that we've positioned ourselves for this airdrop. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.